Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this super cute Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas kind of nail art stamping tutorial, and I'm super excited about it because I am going to be Sally for Halloween this year. My whole family actually is going to be characters from Nightmare Before Christmas. We're just starting off with the base coat. I'm just using this one from Zoya, the Naked Manicure system. I haven't tried it out yet, so I figured why not try it out today. Alright, so next is the base color. This is all glammed up by Glaze, and this is kind of supposed to mimic her skin color, which is a little bit different in the movie, but kind of from pictures online, this is kind of what I thought looked the best. And then on the accent finger, we're going to be using a white. This is Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, White on Time. It's just a really good white. I like to use it for stamping and for base colors. This is a second coat on everything. And I believe I did need a third coat on the all glammed up, but I don't think I showed that part. It was just a little thin and streaky. So these are the plates we're going to be using for the stamping portion. They're both by Bundle Monster. I'm really not sure if they're available anymore since they kind of switched over to Maniology, but hopefully they are. All the products will be listed in the description bar below, of course. I'm just using a Born Pretty Store black to stamp with, and a Maniology stamper. So the colors we're going to be using for the next part, this is all glammed up. This is Rain Dance the Night Away, Don't Mess With My Heart, Butterscotch by Sally Hansen, and then That's Shore Bright by Glaze again. And we're going to be doing a little bit of reverse stamping. We're going to be taking all glammed up, which is, again, that's supposed to be that skin color. And we're just going to blob a little bit on the tin. And I use a dotting tool. You can use a brush or whatever you want. I just like a dotting tool, and I use kind of like a bouncing stippling motion, just so that I'm not dragging any of the image or like smearing it or anything. And I'm just going to be doing it in the open part of the design, and same with the other kind of open section of the patchwork design, kind of just to represent like holes in her clothes or something. Next we're going to take the teal, which is Rain Dance the Night Away, and just filling in the polka dotted section, just like another section of her dress. And then I'm also going to be filling in some of the stripes over there. Next we're going to take the pink, which is Don't Mess With My Heart, and we're going to be filling in every other one of these little stripey pieces in the patchwork, and then also the stripes on the other side of the design. We're going to take the purple, which is, what is this? That's Shore Bright. And just filling in every other one of those stripes again. We're going to take the mustard yellow. You could use whatever mustard you want. You don't have to use any of the colors that I use, honestly. And just filling in that last section. And that's what it looks like on that side, but when you turn it over, oh my god! And I did already have one ready to go, so that was dry. You're going to want to wait a little while and have it dry. And then when you place it on your nail, make sure your nail polish is mostly dry, but just a tiny bit tacky. And you're going to want to press it in and kind of just squish down the sides so that it sticks really good. And then I used acetone and a cleanup brush to kind of just go around the edges and make sure that everything kind of seals in and starts to meld together. Just cleaning off my stamper right there. Alright, so for the rest of the design, it's going to be this kind of stitched stamp. And we're just going to kind of place these on all the rest of the nails, kind of to represent her. She's like a stitched up rag doll, so I'm just kind of placing them a little bit haphazardly on my nails, just whatever looks good. And then I end up going over again just to add more stitches, and so I'm kind of doubling up on the stamp just to kind of make it look a little bit, I don't know, she's a pieced together doll. So that's kind of how it ends up looking there. Doing some cleanup, just getting everything all pretty. And that's kind of, oh, top coat of course. I'm using Seche Vite because the brush is very soft and I like it for stamping. It doesn't tend to smear my stamps. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm really proud of this design. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome rest of your day and a happy Halloween. Bye!